Hey y'all, it's Natalie, and I have a cherry on top unboxing today. As you can see, I literally just still have the box, and it was a big box today. Not because I ordered like a lot of stuff, but I ordered a big thing. Sorry about the loud. Let's pull this out, and then I'll show you what I got, the big part. Interesting. But it is nice. One thing I do try to be organized on is my layouts. So if I spend a lot of time on layouts, I like to put them away fairly quickly. In recent years, I've gotten into the habit of kind of saving them up month by month. And then I give you guys like a recap, and then I put them away. And so I was without page protectors. And so I was like, you know what? Let's do the 100 pack, you know? And it was a good deal. Like when you look at them, they have like 25 packs or 50 packs. Like the 100 pack was per sheet or significantly cheaper if you buy the bigger thing. And you know, it's like one of those things. I know I'm going to use them, you know? So anyway, that's one reason why the box is so heavy. And I like the We Are Memory Keepers ones. They're nice and sturdy. They're clear, you know, not cloudy. And I haven't really had a problem with them like breaking at the holes or anything. Alright, but let's get into the real good stuff here. That is a thread because I busted out my zipper on my jeans and had to re-sew it a little bit before we go out of town because I wear hard pants sometimes now. So, and if I'm being kind of quiet, it's because everyone is asleep but me. But I couldn't leave without seeing what was in my box. Letting you guys enjoy what was in my box with me. You can see we got some good stuff. Lots of heavier paper this time. Not so much on like supplies or the mixed media or anything. I'm just telling you every time I say it, but I mean it. Cherry on Top is amazing at packaging their things. You might think like, oh, it's kind of annoying, but like, no, it's perfect because nothing's damaged, nothing's wet. So it's fabulous. Slide everything out. All right, let's see. This is one thing that's not paper that I got. It is a Crafter's Companion Cosmic Collection Milky Way acrylic stamp. Now, acrylic stamps are not usually my favorite, but this one is stars, and if it doesn't give a pristine image, I think it'll be okay because I've envisioned myself usually using it on mixed media more, and that's usually kind of like grungy or distressed, and so yeah. So it was priced accordingly for being acrylic. That being said, I don't want to like doubt it yet without trying it. I've never tried this brand before or anything. So we'll see how it goes, but it's just too cute. I actually saw it, like I'm in a group chat with some of my friends, and I saw it and I sent it, and I was like, Jessica Michaels, this has your name written all over it. And then I was like, well, actually, I really like it too. And so I was like, I'm gonna get one. So super cute. I love all the different stars, open stars and colored in stars, and then different sizes and different shapes. So I'm excited to play with that. I think that'll be a good little texture piece for so many of my layouts. All right, let's see here. Let's do the onesies and twosies. So this, I think our next theme for the hop is florals. I think that's what it is. Anyway, and I have had my eye on these from Paintbrush Studio for so long, and I don't know why I never got them, but I finally just bit the bullet and did it. And they're it's like retro vibe in the 70s, super cute. I feel like they're super like in style right now, and I just think they're so cute. So I got those for the floral hop. And I reserve the right to change my mind, okay? I'm just saying that. Like, you never know when inspiration will strike. So my eye has been on this collection for a while, Cedar House by American Crafts. And it's so funny because it's very hipster, and like very hipster circa 2011. You know, I think Mumford & Sons, first thing that comes to mind, of course. I mean, they're my favorite anywest show I've ever seen. Marcus Mumford's voice is amazing. You know, they're kind of back together making music, and I'm here for it. But also, like, I'm here for the hipster grunge, like, you know, like little wood grain skeleton head, geometric animal, like that's all of this. And I'm here for it. It's been a long enough time. We can bring that back, and I don't hate it in this. Sorry. With my little hipster baby nephew, I definitely already have some photos in mind that I will be using this collection on with him. But also with my boys and my husband in particular, I think that this will vibe with some photos I have of them. So, oh, look at that. It's like gold foil. I like that. Very vintage, masculine, muted colors. I'm here for it. I like it a lot. I probably said that too much. Sorry. I'm here for it. Okay, so that's the 6x8 paper cut. And then the only other thing I got from the collection is this. Oh, well, I didn't really mean to do that, but okay. Die cut ephemera. So we'll look into that real quick. So we have butterfly, wine, which we all know I love, a squirrel, some mushrooms, gold foil accents, a boombox, glasses, because you can't be a hipster without glasses, duh. Wolf at school, but I also really like these kind of icons because they're just really versatile, and you know, they kind of go on all different kinds of layouts, not really like a specific theme. So that's why I wanted to get the icon ephemera. And I would just like to point out, this is American Crafts, and in the past, recent past-ish, they were getting a little big for the britches in the department of, they've got vellum and gold accents. In the die cut department, like, they were just huge pieces, and I don't think that they were usable, even for someone who does 12 by 12 layouts, which is my fave and my go-to. They weren't really usable for me. So I'm super glad to see that they have mostly calmed down. Like, this is a big piece, but also, like, that's okay for that to be a big piece. Like, sometimes you can use a statement piece, especially a floral, but like all these other pieces are very reasonably shaped and sized, and I appreciate that very much so. So I think probably they had some feedback for that, and yeah, took heed. So I appreciate that. And like that's a pretty big piece. But I mean, for the most, like, there was a time where like the entire ephemera pack was like that size. And you're like, oh, great, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. This is a very good max. Oh, lucky, love that box. Okay, so those are the Cedar House die cut ephemera. And that's from American Crafts. So, what else do we have? I will put these in like a different little plastic pouch that is not got any adhesive on it that will get stuck or anything. Let's see, we're almost done, really. The only thing else, so I was feeling like summer pictures coming up. We have 2 beach trips from last year, which actually neither one was in the summer, but lots of fun, outdoor, bright summer, summer-esque. It was hot. We were in bathing suits. We were on the beach. Anyway, I have trips from 2 beach trips that I have not. Photos from 2 beach trips that I haven't even started to scrapbook. And so I thought, I'm like kind of itching to work in my like crafted album again. So I think that would be a good size to do probably both trips. It was spring break and fall break, and we went with our best friends, some of our best friends, all stayed together, and so they kind of like vibe together, the trips too. And so I think it would be cool to just like put them together in the same like crafted album probably. Sorry. The sticker on this one is super gummy. Definitely want to go ahead and get that off for sure. Okay, so this, I just grabbed this one because I thought it would be fun for those pages. And this was Pebbles Fun in the Sun. It looks like all I got was the thickers and the paper though, but that's okay. I don't know why I didn't get the die cuts, to be honest with you. I may have to look back and go back and maybe get some stickers or something. I don't know. Oh, I'm liking that. That's fun. I like that paper a lot. Some fun tags. Oh, I'm a sucker for hot pink. Popsicles. These are super cute. I like this a lot. Oh, and there's a purple page and watermelon. And I love the iridescent like accents. That's really cute. Words. some cut aparts. I like that. And that's one thing, like, you don't necessarily have to have the ephemera if you're cool with like fussy cutting. I don't love fussy cutting, but I definitely can. And then, but these usually have so many cut aparts in them that they're pretty good with that. I like that plaid. That's fun. Looks like water, surfboards. Okay, super cute. I'm super glad about this. I'm really into that. I like every page in there. But these stickers are super cute too. This is Puffies. They're Puffies and they're kind of like plasticky. I really tend to like these. They don't fall apart. And they stick really well. These are good sizes too, especially for a Life Crafted. So that was one thing that when I noticed these, like, they're pretty small for thickers. Like, sometimes thickers can be pretty big, especially not American Crafts. So the foam really thick title pieces from Simple Stories are usually like really big. I had the pack the other day and I was like, man, this is huge. If you're trying to do like a smaller page, it would be a little bit, they wouldn't fit. So these are perfect for that smaller size. And if you don't know, a Life Crafted is like a traveler's notebook size. And you can go look at like my album flip throughs and stuff because I have a ton of those on there. But super cute, very summery. But also you could like take some of these things apart and it wouldn't be as summery. Vacay vibes, love that. Soak up the sun, happy, lots of happiness. Super cute. I'm not gonna lie, I mean, it's pebbles, but I wouldn't be surprised if whoever designed this was a past Amy Tangerine designer, because it has very similar looks to it. I have 3 bigger 12x12 collection packs here, but we'll look into these other ones first because they're not as exciting. Honestly, I'm not even gonna open them, but this one is the Bella Boulevard Lex Scrapbook. I've kind of really been into solid cardstock lately, and so this is kind of like solid cardstock, but not like, it has a little pattern, so it's very muted. It's like one color, exactly like that one, the gingham. Okay, well, maybe we're not opening it just a little bit, but I don't know, it's kind of been my jam lately. Instead of like a white background, I'm kind of leaning towards like colored cardstock. So I thought that this would be fun because you can get the same vibe, but it's got a little bit of a pattern. So it looks like it's like the same color on both sides, but like here you have grid and here you have dots. And then here you have stripe and gingham. You have grid and dots and hearts and other little hearts. Oh, I love that. I'm a sucker for some ombre, and pink and ombre, yes. Here, yes, queen. A black, dots and grid, and a blue, stripe and gingham. Yeah, so I could definitely see me using those a lot as background pieces, and doing a lot of mixed media on them or some, what have you. And then these kind of go hand in hand. Echo Park, like the vibes, the 70s are back, the smiley faces, and I feel like the smiley faces were really cool when I was in middle school. And then this kind of looks like the Vans, you know, the checkered. And so I was like, yes, I'm here. This will be great for my boys. This is really, really fun. And it's also just another way to do the same technique I was just talking about, like where I'm into colored cardstock. So the checkerboard will kind of read as a solid in most cases, or it doesn't have to. So they're all checkerboard, so you got them for all the colors. You got black, turquoise, yellow, red, and orange. So like my colors, you tell my kids there's not like boy colors and girl colors, but I mean, oh, there is a pink, yay. So, but like, you know, things, oh, and a turquoise, cool. So things I'm using on like, this is gonna be fun. On my kids' layouts, my kids starting middle school next year, like, I get pictures of them, their buds, like, and these are really beautiful solids on the other side. So even if checkerboard goes out, if I get sick of checkerboard, I got some solid cardstock, right? So that is from Echo Park. It's just called Checkerboard, Summer Checkerboard, because the colors are summer. And then this one, it's a lot, okay? It's a lot of smileys. And so I will say that's another reason that I got these solids, because I knew immediately that I was not going to be able to use a lot of these papers with one another, because like almost everything has a smiley, and you just can't put too many smileys. but it's called Have a Nice Day. And so I think that this will be a really fun collection to do a lot of mix and matching. So you got your cut aparts, super cute. And then that doesn't have a smile, so that's a nice little like sunshine. We've got a floral here, which is super cute, groovy one. And then a dark red with a little like maybe coral in there. Just a really simple smiley, giving Walmart vibes. Cute daisies, very on trend right now. Got some more cut aparts, which are 4x4. I find I don't use these like ever. This is super cute, but I just never have the use for a 4x4 cut apart. That's adorable. Those almost look like buttons. And then a smaller one, very birthday-esque, that one. And then that side has blue. More daisies with a red background, which is unusual. You don't usually see daisies paired with red, so I like that. Green. More cut aparts. Ooh, a really nice peach grid. I like that a lot. Some floral smileys. Ooh, that's super cute with little sparkle. I like that. That's good colors right there. This is very summery. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna have like a way more smileys. The sticker sheet has a lot of smileys, so but it is actually a better balance than I was expecting. Cute little stars on the coral. Some more cut aparts. Interesting. So these are all different pages. Like we're not duplicating prints, are we? Yeah, no, we're not. Oh, interesting. I didn't expect that, to be honest with you. I thought we were gonna have like 2 of each, but we don't, and I'm here for it. But then that's where I get into like porting tendencies and a checkerboard. But these are different checkerboards than what I just got, so I appreciate that. So this has 12 by 12 double-sided papers, and they are all different. It's good to know. And then here's the sticker sheet. No, the sticker sheet's a lot of smileys. But I was pleasantly surprised by that, the balance of the collection. This is super cute. Love that. This is going to be fun to play with. And again, very like generic. You can kind of use these kind of things on any page, and the colors go with so many things. So this is going to be a fun one to play with. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a little bit long. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to put my affiliate links down below if you would like to buy any of these things. And then if you'd like it to like and subscribe, I'd appreciate that. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, y'all.